Hi there, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove tempered glass from the mobile screen. So this is my mobile and you can see my mobile's tempered glass is totally scratched and totally damaged. So I am going to remove it with the help of cardboard. Yes, with the help of cardboard. Just take two pieces of cardboard like this. As you can see, very simple trick. There is no rocket science. So just take one cardboard piece and look at this cardboard thickness and just try to insert anywhere between tempered glass and mobile screen. Just insert very smartly and slowly and press inside very and come down slowly and you can see tempered glass is removing from the mobile screen. So continue follow this step and try to remove whole screen guard or tempered glass from the mobile screen. As you can see, I have insert another cardboard to removing the tempered glass. Removing tempered glass from the mobile screen is very easy. Guys, just be careful during this process, because sometime removing tempered glass can harm to your mobile screen. So just be careful during this process. I hope this video tutorial will help you. If you found this video useful, please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.